Hello family. Today I'm going to make Copycat, Disney's Epcot butterbars. And I'm going to try to do it the way that the picture looks like on Google, the real bars, what they look like. So we're going to do that. And a big shout out to DunebuggyJim's channel. I got my t-shirt. I love it. Let me show it to you. Isn't that awesome? Let's make these bars. I am actually tripling the crust recipe and doubling the caramel recipe. But I will put the original recipe in the description. So I've got my butter, which only calls for a cup, but I put 3 cups. And I am going to add to this, I'm going to add 1 1/2 cups of sugar. Because the original recipe is only 1/2 cup, so I'm adding 1 1/2. So we're going to put 1 here, 1/2 there, and 1 1/2. Okay. I really like these t-shirts. I washed it and I really love the collar. Yeah, it's very good quality. Yeah, we're gonna beat this until it's smooth here. I gotta scrape this down here. I want it, I didn't mean smooth, I meant until it's fluffy. Which it's getting there real quick here. All right. Now, and I got it all over my wall. Okay. Yeah, it's fluffy. Okay, I gotta wash my gloves here. Okay, and now I have to put new gloves on because that was like ridiculously sticky. I gotta put gloves on my list. I don't know if you could see it real close when I... Isn't that cool? I love his channel. I love the way he edits his videos. He's really good at editing, I think. Okay, the next part is I'm going to add the salt, which recipe says 1/8, and I added 1/2 teaspoon. And then now it's 2 cups of flour, and I'm tripling it. So I'm adding 6 cups of flour. All right. See how it holds together? All right, now I'm gonna add about half of this onto this pan here. I might need more. Now we're just gonna pat it out. Got parchment paper down. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside. Now I'm gonna add the rest of this in this pan because I'm gonna attempt to put a different top on it than just a crumble top. Okay, now I'm going to put these in the oven for just a few minutes, just to get them set. All right, second part. We've got 2 10-ounce packages of Werther's soft caramels in here. The recipe only calls for 1 package, but like I said, I doubled it. So now I'm going to put this in the microwave. So I'm going to add, I actually, it only called for 5 ounce and I have 20 ounces. So I'm actually doing this times 4. I'm adding 4 cans of sweetened condensed milk. And then we're going to add the vanilla at the end. So I am going to take this over to the microwave. We're going to get it melted. Okay, it took a while, probably 3-4 minutes, 30-second intervals before all the caramels were melted. I'm going to add the vanilla. Okay, I'm going to let that cool just a little bit. I'm going to do some pouring of this in here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the fridge to let it harden just a little bit. We'll be right back. Now this is somewhat, my refrigerator is crooked as you can see here. Now I got the top here. I have this in the fridge because I definitely, what I wanted to do here is with the top, I'm going to put it like that. I knew I was going to lose some of it, but we're okay with that. Now, I'm going to, because see, the butter bars, when I looked at them, they were flat on top, not with not a bunch of crumbs. And that's what I want it to look like. So I'm going to put this in the oven, and I'm a little bit leery that this is going to boil over, so I did put aluminum foil on below it. So we're going to put in the oven 350 for about 25 minutes till this gets browned, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I took this out of the oven, and it took longer than it was supposed to because, number one, my oven's a little slow, but I had the dough in the fridge, so it was really cold. But we're going to let this set, and then I am going to trim. I'll trim around it once it's cooled down. We'll be back. Okay, now I cut these when they were still warm, and then I put them in the fridge for a while. And then I took the edges off where the caramel had seeped out, because I had a lot of caramel in there. You're probably not going to make with that much caramel, but I wanted a lot of caramel in mine. So, but yeah, and I put it in the fridge. So yeah, this is quite the caramely. But we're gonna try it. Here you go. Copycat butter bars with lots of caramel in it. Go ahead, first bite. Let's try it. And I made sure it had lots of caramel and shortbread. That's why I tripled and quadrupled the recipe. So let's try it. That's delicious. Delicious. Take a big bite. That buttery. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.